Hey y'all, what's up and welcome to my channel. If you didn't read the title, this video is featuring the March BoxyCharm. I annoyed myself. This month's theme was something French, rose or rosé. I'm assuming rose. I'm not French. I don't know French, but it's cute. So the whole theme this month was very pinky, rosy, and gold. And I apologize for filming the March BoxyCharm review so late in the month, but I just now got it on the 21st. Speaking of, the 21st of every month is my son's little birthday, and he turned 7 months old today. Oh my god, he's like a grown man. I can't even get over it. But a quick update on my life. My whole household has been so sick, so tired with allergies and cold symptoms. My son has been so congested, like poor thing, we had to use that nose-treated nose sucker on him all the time and he hates it. So congested, poor thing, but he's been so happy. I need to be like that. I need to be like my 7-month-old son. I need to have a positive outlook just on life in general. I mean, I am the negative one. I can't help it. I've talked about this before. I really think my son is teaching me some good life values. Gosh, he's so freaking sweet. I love him. Anyways, sorry for all the random rambles. Let's just go ahead and get started. And one last thing before I get started. If y'all recall, in one of my videos with my friend Abby, it was drinking wine and doing makeup. A crazy little video. If you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and link that in the description box. But I made a funny comment about if you watch the show Outlander, and that the 1700s are my jam. And my friend Sarah, doing commentary in the back, says, actually, I'll just insert footage here because it makes more sense. Stop it. If I could go back to any time and be like,
I would
the 18th century.
I would go back to just about every decade.
The 1700s, that's like my jam. And if y'all watch Outlander, oh my god.
The 1700s of all things.
Yes, okay. Oh my god.
Make a t-shirt out of that. The 1700s were my jam.
So funny, but one of my friends, Kaylee, actually made me that shirt. The 1700s are my jam. How cute is that? Thank you so much, Kaylee. That was so freaking sweet. All right, let's go ahead and start unboxing and trying on some of these products. I already did the face mask earlier today. This is the Wander Lift-Off Purifying and Brightening Peel-Off Mask. So this is a peel-off mask, and with peel-off masks, the key is to put a thick layer on so you have enough to peel. And oh my gosh, this hurts so bad. When I think of doing masks, I think of relaxation, sitting in the bathtub, doing a mask, waiting 15 minutes later, then just rinsing it off. This hurt so bad. My skin did feel super soft afterwards, I will say. And it did pick up a lot of blackheads, so I mean, I can't knock that. Last year I got Wander Beauty, the eye masks. I think it was called Baggage Claim. They were gold. Oh my gosh, love those. But this one, I will probably give this one away. Next, we got two brushes by Moda. Got a powder brush and a soft glow brush. So we'll go ahead and use these, because next I got the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and this is very cool. I love a good face palette for day-to-day. And we have two highlighters, a contour, a blush, a finishing powder, and a brightener, which looks like another highlighter to me. But we'll go ahead and use this. Now we are up close and personal. I'm gonna go ahead and take this contour shade for my bronzer, and I'm just taking it on a BH Cosmetics brush. Ooh, maybe I used too much. So the contour shade itself isn't bad at all. I do think it can get a little patchy. I should have gone in first with this finishing powder. I'm gonna go ahead and take that Moda powder brush, and I'm gonna take some of that finishing powder and just kind of go over my foundation. I can see little specks of glitter on my forehead. I don't know how I feel about that, and I'm really not happy with that spot right there. I don't see myself using this for highlighter, so I'm gonna go in with blush. I don't know if y'all heard that, but my husband just sneezed so loud. And a lot comes off, so I'm just gonna lightly dust. I really like this brush for blush because it does not ever pick up too much and it just lightly dusts it on there. I really like this. And that blush color is pretty. So in theory, it looks like you could mix the contour and this highlighter together to give yourself kind of a bronzy shimmer, and then same with the blush and the highlighter over there. And then you can top it off with this one. So I'm actually gonna take the pinkish highlighter and just use that as a blush topper. And that's really pretty. I love that for the spring and the summer. I don't ever use brushes like this, but my friend Abby left this over here when we did our video, so I'm just gonna use that. And I'm gonna take that middle one, and that one is really powdery. So I really like this face palette. I think I'll use it again. It's super easy, and these colors work good with fair skin, I think. Oh, these frizzy hairs. Messy hair, we're working with it. Next, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I'm just gonna take the contour shade and put that in my crease. So next in the box, I got this Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow. It is gold. Gold, gold, gold. I don't know how I wanna do this. First, I'll go into this highlighter shade on my lid, just with my finger. Since I didn't use this color on my face, it's really pretty though. I mean, you got a full look right here. All right, I'm gonna go in with the liquid eyeshadow now. This is actually a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. I have a foiled lid right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. It's definitely not a bad liquid eyeshadow. I mean, if I'm gonna do a liquid eyeshadow, it's usually glitter and it's a Stila. Those are so good. This one's not bad though at all. Oh my god, and I haven't been telling y'all prices of anything. We'll just do that at the end. Now I'm gonna take the brightener and we'll do the inner corner. So I went ahead and added some mascara, and I used my $1 mascara, the Fat Lash. I love this thing. It's so good. And I love the way that this liquid eyeshadow dried because it's a lot more shimmery and sparkly. At first I was like, it's kind of a yellow gold. I don't know if I like it, but it's cute. So the last thing I have is lipstick. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. And I'll tell you, it is a metallic. I don't really like metallic lipstick. Not a fan of this color, and not with this look, but for the video, we'll do it. I hate it. Let me put on another layer, because this is not cute. Honey, no. Okay, I love Ofra's liquid lipstick formula, but the shade and the metallic, not my thing. I wouldn't pair this with this eye look, but I just wanted to try everything all at once. So let's go over prices. The Cover FX Perfector Face Palette was $45. And I really did like this. I will definitely use this again. I think if you were gonna get a face palette, this one's great. I really like my Too Faced one as well. I think they're always good to have on hand when you travel and work and things like that. It makes your makeup routine a lot faster. The Wander Beauty peel off mask was $34. That was so painful, I will never use this again. The Moda brushes were $29.99. They come together and they worked really nice. I'll definitely use these again. I don't have any problems with them. The Ofra liquid lipstick was $20. Like I said, love their lipsticks, but not this one. And last but not least, the Appeal liquid eyeshadow was $21. And it's cute, I like it. Super easy to put on, I mean, literally 2 seconds. Now let me calculate the total here. I literally annoy myself. So my total value this month was $150 hairs. That's a good value. I mean, overall the box was nice. I really liked the theme of it. Everything was kind of rosy and gold. Very cute. I have so much fun filming these videos because I get to play with makeup, and $150 is a lot of money and I only spent $21. So I'm sorry that you're seeing this at the very end of the month. If you wanted to get it, I'm sorry. I think it was on back order. I guess it was a really popular one. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.